Today we will be talking about fractions. So what is a fraction? A fraction represents part of a whole number, or any number of equal parts. There are two parts of a fraction. First, we'll start with the numerator. The numerator is on the top of the fraction. This number tells you how many parts you have. Here I have the fraction 1/3. 1 is the numerator. The second part of the fraction is the denominator. A denominator is the number on the bottom of a fraction. It represents how many parts your whole is divided into. Again, I have 1/3. 3 is the denominator. That is how many parts my whole is divided into. I will be showing you some examples of fractions using fraction tiles. Here I'm going to be starting off with the number 1. I have one whole tile here. So I will write the number 1. I could break up my tile into many different pieces. First, I'll start off by breaking it up into 2 different pieces. 1, 2. I will write 2 on the bottom, my denominator, because I have broken up my 1 into 2 pieces. 1 will go on the top. Now I'll break up to even more parts. I'm going to break my 1 up into 3 different pieces. Here you can see I have 3 different tiles. So I will write 3 at the bottom. That is how many parts are divided. And I still have 1 whole at the top. If I want to break them smaller, I can do that as well. I could break them into 4 different pieces. 1 would still stay the numerator, and I have broken them up into 4 pieces, so 4 would be the denominator. Now I will show you another example of fractions. And in this case, I will be using cubes. We'll look at this cube as one whole. If I want to break up the cubes by color, what I could do is I separate them. I have 1 green cube and 2 red cubes. First, I'm going to start by writing a fraction for the green cube. I know I have 3 equal parts, so I will write 3 as my denominator. But I only have 1 green cube, so I will write 1 as my numerator. For the red, I know that I have 3 equal cubes, so I will write 3 on the bottom. But I only have 2 reds, so I write 2. So 1/3 of this group is green, and 2/3 of this group would be red. Let's do another example using cubes. And here I have a little bit of longer group. Here I have 1 purple cube that I will separate from 3 orange cubes. In total, I have 4 cubes. So I know 4 will be my denominator. So I will write 4 at the bottom. To find out my numerator, I will count how many colors I have. For the purple, I only have 1. So I will write 1. For the orange, I have 1, 2, 3. So again, I will write 4 because I know I have 4 equal parts, but yet I only have 3 orange. So now I know that 1/4 of this group is purple and 3/4 of this group are orange. This lesson went along with the Common Core Standard 3.nf.a.1, Develop Understanding of Fractions as Numbers.